two. Gotta jump in here 2 times and it's really working. Don't do that. I'm gonna get in. No, that's cold. Don't do that, please.
Okay.
Where is he?
Down there. ¿Qué tienes esto aquí? Ándale ya, ve. No.
You're getting wet.
Yeah, that's what do that to you when it cracks.
Okay, I won't
The
stand.
camera didn't hear you.
I'll stand on my head if you don't film her.
Go. Yeah, I am.
Turn it off if you want. 'Cause I'm not doing it.
Español.
This is not filming.
Otra vez.
Okay, go ready?
Cool, Cliff.
What? Ready, sit.
Cool.
Sit. It's getting cold. It's getting cold. Gotta jump in again. It's getting cold. Did you see Bubbles? Did you see Bubbles?
No, I didn't.
Did you?
No.
I farted. I farted.
Gosh, the floaties over there are more interesting than you.
Shut up. I'm better.
Close up. People eat people. They're called carnivores.
Guys, you always stand. I mean, leave it alone here. I won't stand. You have all the big balls.
So do you.
Get off my foot. What foot?
Okay, go on the...
Crystal, film me. Jump in the swim pool. Jump in the swim. Count to 5 when I jump in the air.
1.
No, hold on. I'll count when I'm in the air and I'll see if I can count to 5 before I land. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. Let me do my exercises. One thing.
I'm gonna do that exercise. Jump in. That's the food drive. What do they like? Once you get out, it's cold. How did jump?
Rebecca, come on, do it.
Or stay there.
It's warm. I touched my knees to the ground. I went down. Quick look. Look at. I can touch right here.
Cool. I can touch right here.
Huh?
I can touch right here. Look. When I jumped off the diving board.
Whatever you do, don't get me wet. My camera will get ruined. Don't you get me wet.
What?
So you get me wet.
I didn't get you wet.
You're gonna get me wet.
Shut up. What? This looks beautiful. My head started at 11.
Yeah. Oh, not here. Not here. Not today. Oh, really?
Marty gave me this bird nest that we found when we were walking across the block. So we picked it up and she gave it to me. But she said, let's put it in the tree so a bird can come in and put her eggs there, and then we can take the egg. And we can take the nest.
Why are you telling us?
Because I want to go get it right now. Where'd you put it? We put it in her tree. Why? Why'd you do that? Because she said. Oh, honestly. You said put it in the tree. But I told her.
Oh, no.
I would have put it in the tree. I told her that I was scared because music right here.
Yeah, I see.
Cool, and at night, it doesn't even have lumps. It's all smooth. Because nobody's in it.
I know, when we came out here, there was nobody in it. And it was all smooth. You can see right to the bottom.
Cold and warm? It's cold and orange. It's watermelon, Calissa.
Oh boy, is it getting dark.
Did you hear that noise?
Bracken. What time you left for Bracken?
I don't know, about 5, 6. I guess, I don't know, I can't remember.
What time you left Phoenix?
Phoenix?
Yeah.
I don't know, I was sleeping.
Yeah. Let me do my exercise.
Yeah.
And watch this.
And then jump off.
Whoa, that is so weird.
Look at time.
Because you just film, okay? You put me up. Wee! Ooh! Wee! 1 minute to 10 o'clock, you guys. Ew! Wee! Ew! Wee! Woo! Guys, see my underwear?
Up and teeter totter. That's our fodder. Ow! As soon as I woke up, I looked at the pool. Barney, looky out here. I hate those guys.
Why? You hate them.
Because they're some brats, macho brats. You hate them?
Sometimes.
Butt knockers.
They are butt knockers.
And fart
It is 10 o'clock, you guys. Ladies and gentlemen, it is 10 o'clock.
Woohoo! You threw it in the pool. Okay, Crystal, pull me up. Pull me up.
For this last time, okay?
No! Woohoo!
I gotta go show them where the bathroom is.
What?
And then I gotta go to the bathroom. I'm gonna stop you right here.
Okay, pee.
Pee-pee. Come on, let go of my leg.
No.
Come on. We're going to go see the bathroom.
There's 2 red lights and 2 crystals. Whoa.
You must be cross-eyed.
Whoa, look at 2 crystals.
Come over here. There's Venus.
People can be so rude. Me and my sister online for the bus. I hate it when someone cuts in front of us. I get so mad sometimes it's not funny, but all I do is take my butt and walk away. Stop, look and listen. Think about what's going on. Walk away, but it's so deep and be strong.
In all of my 17 years, I found releasing the pity of the bit of my being.
That's why I always stop and look inside myself to reach the tip top position. So listen, stop with the distance and find a better way to spend your time. Kick your bomb. Kick your bomb.
Think about what's going on. Now relax, walk away, release the peace and be strong.
Bumblebee nest, that's what it is. La 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 la. Stop, look, and listen. It's about what's going on. Count to 10, walk away, release the peace and be strong. Wow. Stop, look, and listen. It's about what's going on. Count to 10, release the peace, release the peace and be strong.
You know what happened to me? What happened? This big old bully was picking on me. He took my money, really hated me. What you do? I got so mad. I would put him right there. My fists were clenched. Her hands were ready. I was also really scared. I would have been too. So I stepped away from myself. And I thought, what do you think, Laura? Was he really worth my time? I had to stop, look, and listen. Think about what's going on. Count to 10, walk away. Release the peace and be strong. Stop, look, and listen.
how you go to the bathroom. Yeah. Warmer than the faucet.
What?
Go.
Me?
Yeah. It looks like a photograph instead of a picture.
Woo! 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 It looks like your belly sticking out. What? Where? That white thing.
Yeah.
What's that? Belly? Belly button? That looks like your belly sticking out. Belly? What's a
Belly button sticking out.
belly button?
Come on, you can hurry, go, please.
Whoa, whoa, no! And then she goes, can you hurry and go? And he goes, whoa, whoa, whoa.